So Spotify Your Sound Capsule has been rolled out to some of the countries. To see this feature on your account, just tap on your profile picture on your Spotify account. Just type your profile picture and then scroll and you'll see Your Sound Capsule. Choose between the different types of listening stats. So Spotify Your Sound Capsule has been rolled out in Brazil, India and Indonesia, which is a brand new way to keep up with what you have been listening to each month of the year, including information like how many minutes you spent listening to content, your top artist and your top songs. So if you don't see this feature and you've followed all the steps, make sure you're using Spotify Premium and not Mini Premium but Spotify Premium. And if you don't see this feature, and probably it hasn't been rolled out in your country yet, because it's only available in Brazil, India and Indonesia. So that's how you can access Spotify Your Sound Capsule. Just tap on your profile picture, scroll down, tap Your Sound Capsule and choose between the different types of listening stats. So that's it, guys. If this video has helped you, don't forget to give a like and see you next time.